Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you all are doing well. So in the last video, we covered that how we can actually use the nav links. But in this video, I'm going to show you one new hook. You use navigate using router in React.js. Guys, as we are making a good progress, but that doesn't mean we before we moving to the advanced feature, we miss some basic features. So like this is in this example, we are going to cover the imperative routing. So that means that right now, what we did that we are actually doing all the progress and we click on the links or the anchor tags. We are going to one page to another page. But guys, there are a lot of time we get a situation that when sometimes our session gets expire or some other behaviors. In that way, we need to navigate user to directly log out and go on the login page. So, guys, before I continue this video, I need to say that if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel. My channel name is Amir Parvez, and these are all the source codes I have uploaded for you that you can download and do the practice if you miss anything in the videos. So continuing to my topic that guys, if you miss anything, and sometimes we click on the login button and it takes us to the home page like this. We click on the sometime the button or sometimes programmatically we write some logics that if user click on this thing, we will navigate to this thing. Or if a user select this option, we will provide them these GUIs. So these types of thing we are going to use the imperative routing approach. We are programmatically going to handle the source code so that it takes us to some other components. How we are going to do that? React actually give us one new React Outer DOM have given us one new. I'm going to import a new navigation that we can use navigate. And okay, I need to import this from React Router or React Router DOM. Great. So this use navigate actually it actually can be help us to it can be called you to trigger a navigate action. So how we are going to do that? I'm going to write const and navigate like this. So now it actually this help us to actually navigate this URL. So I'm going to make some const and navigate helper. I'm going to make a mm, function here. So I will call it on button click, right? I'm going to make arrow function. And all I'm going to do is I need to add a button here and I'm going to go to on from home, go to contact us page. Great. So now on the on click, I'm going to say it. I'm going to pass this handler. Great guys. So now once I click here, what will happen? Here I need to write navigate. Guys, this is just example for actually for you demonstrate that how we can do these practices. This is not just all it will work on the click. It can work in any way you want to use in your application. So I'm going to say navigate. And here I need to pass the URL of our website. I'm going to say it, contact us. Great. So what actually happens on the backend, this is a navigation hook. This is actually a hook provided by React Outer DOM. So it returns an imperative method for changing the location used by users but may also be used by another element to change the locations, right guys? So you can read this document in detail. The link is also defined in the description. So now it actually once we click on this page, it will take us to another page. This navigate is actually help us also, and use navigation is also helpful. Like if we click on the submit form button and after submitting the form, we need to redirect user to some other page, so we can do that. So this is very helpful, but we cannot ignore this basic functionality as well. So that's why I'm covering this topic. I hope it is going to helpful. So now let's see on the output. If I go on the home, so you can see here, if I click on the go to contact us page, now we are not using any anchor tag or link or nav links. I'm using a button approach. So it takes us to the contact page. Great guys. I hope this video is going to be helpful in many ways, because I have told you many other ways. Like if you have a session timeout on your code and you write some logics here that if session timeouts you need to redirect you to some other pages, or you have some timers on your web page, or some login approaches or form submission, many other approaches. So you can use this imperative routing. Thank you very much, guys. I hope you enjoy the video and this is going to be helpful for you in many other ways also. And don't forget to subscribe and like my channel, share these videos with your friends. Keep watching my videos, keep watching and keep supporting me. I hope you are becoming a great React and expert React.js developer, and in the future you are going to get the great jobs because React is so much in demand, and also not only jobs, but you are going to cover a lot of great projects on the React. Good luck for that. Practice as much as you can and use my GitHub links and videos so you can enjoy and learn a lot. Thank you, guys.